Welcome back, guys. Thanks for tuning in again to Tiffany Baby TV. It's your girl Tiffany. Welcome back. Thanks for joining us today. You guys ready to watch me slay? I have another banger for you. Go ahead, get comfy, watch me work. I have missed you guys so much. We were on vacation and I've had the busiest summer, but I am back and I am in effect with some brand new wig reviews for you. Today we have Bailey. She is in the color 1B and this is what she looks like. She's a whole lot of woman, y'all. I've had this wig for a while now. I was intimidated by the amount of hair and how big she was, but I tried her on just a few minutes ago and I really regret not taking this wig on vacation with me, you guys. She is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna put Bailey on. I'm gonna let you guys watch everything that I do to her. I may need to trim her a little bit. She is very, very long. She is very, very big, but as always, I'm gonna let you guys see everything that I do from start to finish, and I'll be back in the end to tell you my final thoughts. Hi! Did you have a good nap? So my little buddy busting in made me remember that I didn't show you guys the cap construction, so here it is. Bailey has two combs right here in the front. She has lace parting. She has soft lace, which I've already cut off. She has one comb in the back, and of course your adjustable straps. So very standard cap construction. I'm on my dream girls pose because that is how I feel. I feel like Diana Ross. I definitely feel like, oh my gosh, you guys, this is a lot of hair. This is not for the faint of heart, but I love it. It's so big. It's so gorgeous. These curls are so incredibly soft, you guys. They feel so natural. This doesn't feel like a synthetic wig at all. Would I recommend combing something like this out? Absolutely not, because you're gonna mess up those curls. Just fluff through them just as I'm doing here with your fingers. That's all you really need to do with something like this. The ends are a little bit longer than what I would have liked them to be. For what I had in mind, it's just a little bit longer. But before I do any cutting, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a 360 view. Also, here's what the parting space looks like. It looks pretty good. I may pluck that later, but I'm not gonna do that right now. With a wig with a curly pattern like this, a lot of people may choose not to pluck that part because a part isn't gonna be very easily visible in the density of the hair in the first place. So I'm gonna go ahead and shape this up just a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys first, like I said. Alright, so as you can see, she's got some excellent flow. She's got outstanding density. This wig is super duper duper dense, but it's so bouncy. It's so lightweight. It's not heavy on my head at all, you guys. The cap is very comfortable. It's got some good stretch in it. There's definitely some room, so I would absolutely classify this as big head friendly. This wig is an older unit. It's been out for a while, so if you're looking for it, make sure that you head on over to beautynation.shop. That's where I got her from. I will leave a link in the description box for you to pick her up as well. Want to do full-on baby hairs with a curly unit like this. I just wanted to add a little bit more of a natural looking hairline to that, so I just did a couple of little swoops and created a little bit of edges. But this is the final look of Bailey. You guys, look at this wig. I'm a diva, best believe it. Don't even question it. That's how I'm feeling right now. I need to turn on some Beyonce and dance around my room, you guys. This wig is bomb. I normally leave really big curly units like this to my sister. She rocks them so well. They just look absolutely gorgeous on her. Shout out to my sister. I know she's watching. But I might be a convert. I keep trying new things, you guys, and jumping out of my comfort zone and absolutely loving them. If you didn't see my colorful series, make sure that you go back and watch Jill and Jalen. I absolutely loved both of those wigs. This wig might be one of my new favorites, you guys. After cutting it, the shape and the natural density of it, I think looks so much better. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a 360 so that you guys can see how it looks all around after I shaped it up. Bailey is a steal, under $25. You can pick her up at the beautynation.shop. As I mentioned, I will leave a link below so that you guys can go and grab her yourselves. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave them down below. Give me a thumbs up if you liked how this styling turned out. I absolutely love this big curly unit. It's just so pretty. I can't get enough of it. So hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so before you go. I appreciate you guys rocking with me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Bye, guys.